As you can see behind you, that is a completed tiny house. This took me a lot of work, a lot of effort, but it was worth it. I have one last thing I got to do before I can sign off on this project, and that's spending the night. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head on back to the house, grab a few supplies for tonight, and I'm going to head inside, put my feet up and enjoy. So guys, come on back here very shortly. I'll be inside there, hopefully nice and warm, and hopefully enjoying a nice evening. So come on back. Well guys, as you can tell, it's nighttime out here. This is the first time I'm in the tiny house without boots on. Now, mind you, there's a little bit of sawdust still kicking around, but this is the life, I tell you. I got everything done in here. I'm just about to put a fire on. I had one on earlier, so it's still kind of warm in here, but I'm all set up for the night. I'm spending my first night in here, and I'm looking forward to it. As you can tell in front of you, I got sort of a mixed match of all kinds of stuff here. I got my popcorn ready to go. Don't have a microwave out here, so don't tell anyone, but I cooked that up at the house. Also got a pot. I'm going to put some water in it, and I'm going to get that up to a boil on the wood stove so that I can use a French press. And you're probably saying to yourself, oh, look at him. He's got a French press. He's one of them. Well, I am one of them. I love my coffee. Tell you the truth, I've never used a French press before, but hey, we're learning something new today, and I'm going to learn how to use a French press. Other things I got on the go out here, I am one of those computer folks, so I got an iPad out here. I'm going to use this, throw a movie on, put my feet up, eat my popcorn, drink my coffee, and relax. So let's get a fire on and see how this night gets underway. Anyways, let's get this going, and I had some good fire in here earlier today, and so with that fire, I probably still have some coals, which I do. All right, let's grab a dry piece and get her in there. This stuff's one step away from sawdust. That's how dry it is. So I don't need much in there. This, as you saw in the build of this place is like really, really well insulated, and so if I get too much wood in there, I'm going to be sleeping with the windows open tonight. So let's leave that like so. I got the draft open, and let's put some water on. Good old well water. I don't know how much water should be in here. Probably not that whole liter's worth, but that's all right. We got that filled up. Let's get that on the old wood stove. And that's going to take a while. No lying there. So in the meantime, I'm going to relax and try to scratch my brain a little bit about how I'm going to make that French press work, because I really don't know. So bear with me. What? You eyeing up that spot beside me? Dog's smarter than I am, I tell you. What can I help you with? Maybe he just wants popcorn, maybe he just wants a seat. But regardless, I'm going to get set up here. Once that comes up to a boil, I'm going to get it into the French press and hopefully make some gourmet coffee. Well, I think before I eat the rest of that popcorn, I'm going to get my coffee ready because I think it's warming up over there. So here's my coffee. And what we got, here's my French press. And as I mentioned, I have never used one of these. And I did a little bit of Google searching, and I think what I have to do is, I gotta put my coffee in there. That is, I don't know how much is in there, that's an awful lot. Let's put about half that. So I got my coffee in there. And let's go up yonder and see how the water's doing. And I don't have a thermometer, it's not boiling. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful thing right there. So that is looking good enough for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in the bottom here. Hope this works. And let's make sure that all gets worked in. Gotta have a little look-see in there. Oh yeah, that's black gold right there. Okay, let's let that sit for a little bit. In the meantime, what I got to do is let's get right down here by the fire. I left a little piece of kindling off to the side, and you're going to see why in a minute. But I'm going to sharpen it down here. And I'm not going out to hunt tonight's dinner, if that's what you're thinking. But I just need to put a bit of a point on there. Sort of like so. We're going to leave that off to the side. I'm going to let that sit there for just a few more minutes. Then I'm going to work the French press unit, and hopefully I come up with some good coffee and I put this thing to use. Okay, that looks good enough for me. So if I read correctly, you just have to put this thing on and you push down slowly, apparently. I don't know how much resistance this is supposed to give me. A wee bit of resistance, not too much. Well, we're down at the bottom there. I guess, what can we do except test it? Oh yeah, that is gold. At least I hope so. It looks like gold. Let's try it out. Oof, I tell you, that is a stiff drink in the coffee world, but it's a good one. I like my coffee black, and that's definitely black as tar, so I'm happy there. Anyways, let's get back to her here. I got a movie to watch, and then I got a little treat. My after coffee treat. I don't eat marshmallows all that often. I don't know if you can tell by my physique, but maybe I sneak a few in there. Anyways, I love a sweet after drinking coffee, so I'm going to roast one of these up. And I realize this isn't a campfire, but, you know, time to celebrate. Tiny house is done, right? So we're going to have a little makeshift campfire right here inside. So, let's open her up and wrangle up one of these. And if you ever do this, I just open the damper wide open. Holy smokes, that's hot. No pun intended. And you're going to see right quick how I like my marshmallows, because I kind of like my marshmallows like I like my coffee. Oh, that's probably no good. Holy smoke, she's hot. I like a good, good light brown color on mine. Not too much, just a little brown color. That's getting close there. Maybe another second. Oh yeah, that's probably it. Yeah, who's kidding? I love my marshmallows charred brown here, charred black. I don't know what it is, but that burnt flavor just does it. So I think that's my marshmallow. Odds of this burning the inside of my mouth. Oh yeah, that's a mint. That's a beautiful thing right there. Anyways, I got a movie to finish up, and then I'm gonna head up and get some Z's. So, well, I think that's gonna do it for me here. Time to head on up. Well, I think the first night's going to be a success. Mind you, I'm not sleeping yet, but I guess I'll catch up with you guys in the morning and let you know how it went. Well, folks, if you get a good look around, Koda and I definitely made it through the night. I think things look pretty good in here, and overall it's nice and comfortable. So this place gets my stamp of approval. I was really warm last night. Definitely didn't have to think about putting any wood on the wood stove. I'm quite happy with the insulation levels. I actually had to have one of those loft windows open. It was so warm. So I think Koda had a good sleep. He's just kind of dragging this morning, but just after 7:30. So I think it's time for me to maybe fire up that wood stove one more time, throw a pot of coffee on, and go from there. Guys, thanks for watching. You have any questions at all, you know where it goes. Check out all the other videos if you're interested to see how this place came to be. I'm happy with it, and it gets my stamp of approval. Thanks for watching again, folks, and we'll see you next time.